Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Wednesday 29th of the September 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar. Non-data had been released overnight, but during the London session we have input price index data from Germany, CPI from Spain, CS survey from the Switzerland, and of course bunch of data from the UK. Money supply, mortgage approvals, and net lending to individuals, all of them are scheduled for release at 10:30. So pretty much interesting data from the housing market and from the banking market from the UK. The other data are consumer confidence from the Eurozone, scheduled for release at 11 o'clock. And then we have some data during the New York session. Industrial product price index and raw materials price index 2:30. Those data are from Canada. We got the S&P quarterly bulletin data from Switzerland for 3 o'clock. And then data from the US housing market. We got the pending home sales, and then we got crude oil inventories 4:30. And at the end of the day and in the middle of the session, we have speeches from Bank of Japan Governor Hajiko Kuroda, and then from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. We have a speech from the Raphael Bostic as well later on. So, plenty of speeches today from the various countries, Japan, US, and even other ones. So please keep an eye on those data. I guess that crude oil inventories will be one of the most important, but we are going to start with US dollar to Japanese yen, because we've been looking on this pair, we've been analyzing this pair for quite some time, just after this breakout and before the breakout, when the market was below the orange trend line. Right now we have, as you can see, 5 days of uptrend, of a bounce, whatever you want to call it, and today we hit the level of 111.69, which is just above the level of the 7th of the July 2021, 111.67. So 2 pips more for today. This is daily time frame chart, so this candle has not been completed yet, has not been closed yet, but it looks like we are right now getting to know the candle, the daily candle, because it looks like if we stay like that, or the body of the candle will be larger, we might have some kind of a pin bar, maybe even in form of a shooting star or doji. So that would mean this candle is a warning that this uptrend or this bounce from the level of 109.21 might be completed, and then of course we should expect some sort of a correction. So all of these levels right now that we got on our chart in red color, they are right now technical support, which is why I'm changing them to the color of to the green color, right? So the next technical support is around 110.98, and then of course all of these levels are technical support. So as you can see, we needed a real effort right in front of the momentum to break above this wall of the resistance, right? And as you can see, no of the candles is a red candle, so they really need to push through really hard in order to get to this recent swing high. And now, if there is no new high, if there is no continuation after some sort of a pullback, some sort of the correction towards 110.98, of course the shallower the better, then all of this effort here is wasted, right? Because there is no new high. Next target, do we have any other? Not yet. We will make one in a minute, but the whole thing here behind this move is what the market will do afterwards, right? We already almost hit overbought market conditions. Momentum is positive, momentum is strong. It's currently at the level of 67. So there, as I said, there might be some sort of the pullback, some sort of the correction, and then bounce and uptrend continuation. If there isn't a bounce and uptrend continuation, that would mean all of this move is wasted, and we might drop down as fast as we bounced from 109.21. So please keep an eye on the US dollar to Japanese yen, because it looks very, very intriguing and very, very interesting. Moreover, there might be some sort of the double top here. As always, the situation with the recent rally is, right? There always can be the double top formation, but we will have some warnings from market. Okay, next target 112.25. That's the next target on the US dollar to Japanese yen. So please keep an eye on this level as well. This is our next target. Let me just show you that. There you go. This is the next target for the US dollar to Japanese yen. Very nice bounce. As I said, if they break above this trend line, they will have to push through really, really hard, and there will be either a false breakout and reversal after the touch of the trend line, or they will break through really, really high. And there you go. We are testing the recent swing high. Where is the US dollar index? There you go. Are we there yet? Of course we are. As I said, we are going higher. We are going higher towards the level of 93.70, highs of the end of the August. This level has been violated. Today we are going even higher towards the upper channel line. So again, the theme is as it was before. All over market strength. All over the board US dollar strength, and of course the US dollar market strength as well. No overbought conditions yet. 67 points on the RSI. So we are still in the positive territory. I guess that the next target is 94.27, and we should get there before any important correction will take place. US dollar to the Canadian dollar not doing much, completely trendless market. However, we can say that okay, from the bigger point of view, there is some sort of the uptrend, but this up move and the correction, this up move and correction, this up move and correction is telling me that this doesn't look good for the US dollar, and we might see some sort of the consolidation. The horizontal consolidation here. Of course, the recent high 1.2948 is the next, eventually is the next target for bulls, and the loss of the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement 1.2480 is of course the next retracement level, and some kind of a target for bears and support level as well. So far, nothing interesting is going on the US dollar to Canadian dollar. Data for the crude oil will be published today, so let's see what is going on here. And there is very interesting thing going on here, because it looks like we have a first signals of a rejection. The recent high from the 6th of the July at the level of 76.97, okay, had almost been hit 76.65, so there's like a 32 pips miss after this rally. But this is dark cloud cover candlestick pattern on daily time frame chart into extremely overbought market conditions. So we should be prepared for a correction. Okay, so correction or a pullback. Where should we go? How deep? 73.15. is the next target. And please be aware of the fact that the recent correction that I have here was only around 4.82. Okay, so that was the recent correction. This one is not that much important anymore. So let's just measure another correction, and this correction was 4.25. so we shouldn't get more than 5% of the correction. Okay, here, and anything more than 5% is bearish. That would mean this correction will be bigger than any other during the uptrend, and that's a different cycle, as the rule of the technical analysis says. Okay, so 73.50 next technical support, 70.51 the next one, and the last one 69.62. We are waiting for a breakout higher, but so far dark cloud cover, rejection into the overbought conditions on the crude oil. Maybe the data will trigger some sort of the move to the upside, but it looks like the market wants to test the support first before gaining steam and momentum to go even higher. And last but not least, what is going on the Ethereum? How is Ethereum doing? Not doing much. Not doing much after the breakout below this. This trend line, it's been rejected already twice. Let me just put this line here for you, because it looks like it's kind of a important level. 3,176 tested twice. Lows maybe somewhere here are kind of a relevant for this technical resistance. For now, we broke above this key technical support zone again, so we can just put another level of technical support here, which is the lows of the September 2001, 2641. And it looks like we are making some sort of a triangle here, some sort of the consolidation. The market conditions are still negative, momentum is weak, so please prepare for another possible wave down towards 2641 and then $2,401. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.